To remove the keyboard on the Sky Z7R2, first thing you need to do is remove the battery. We've already done that. Then you have to remove all the screws holding the bottom case on. Then you remove the bottom plastic piece, and it gives you access to the insides. When you look in here, you'll see two areas that have a keyboard embossed in the plastics. One here and one there. What you need to do is you need to remove the screws from those two areas so that you can put a pushing tool through to remove the keyboard. You then take a pusher tool, which is in this case a cut-off cotton swab, and you put it in one of the screw holes that you just removed the screws from, and simply push it through, and you see it unseats the keyboard. You then take the keyboard off and lay the unit back flat. And you then have access to all of the cables for the keyboard. To remove the actual ribbon cables for the keyboard, you simply lift these three cable holders. 1, 2, 3, and slide the ribbon cables out, and you remove the keyboard. You then take the new keyboard and you put it in place, slowly and carefully replace the ribbon cables. So you put it in, then you use the snap to hold it down. There's number 1, there's number 2, and last but not least, you put in number 3. You reseat the keyboard by putting it in at the bottom and snapping it in at the top. And the keyboard has been replaced. You then flip the laptop back over, relocate your two screw holes that are embossed with a keyboard, and you replace the screws. And those screws will hold the keyboard in place. And there you go, you've just replaced your keyboard.